babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, sis. If you're returning, what's good, what's popping. So y'all, I like to get right into it, but over here we do a bunch of DIYs, clothing DIYs. I do vlogs. I used to do pranks, but not no more. But y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that bell notification button. So let's get into it. My client is a hairstylist, and she wanted like a varsity jacket like dedicated to her, like her business and herself. So she gave me and told me all these things about herself. So I looked up different patches, and we just went with that. We got Boss Lady, and she had someone that passed away, so we got like a angel patch, and like the dryer, the scissors, and I'm trying to remember, y'all. That's why I'm waiting. Oh, she's a redhead, and she was born in '96. She said she always secure that bag, and I just love when people have, like, you know, meanings and stuff behind like they custom pieces, and it's not just, you know. So I really be loving it. But I am basically going ahead and sew this on, and yes, I actually got this patch custom made for her as well, with her logo, and it came out so fire. And that brown patch right there, that's the angel patch that I was telling y'all about. And then we got CEO on there, and the realist. Like, I just love this for her because it was everything that she wanted. It's a simple, straightforward video, very beginners friendly, and some of these patches are iron on, and I just like to sew mine down because it's more secure and it just look better. And I also like to take my time with it, and y'all gonna see towards the end, I'm gonna show y'all how neat the stitching is in the inside of the jacket. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all finish. This video is not that long, so you guys can enjoy without me talking. Make sure y'all subscribe and follow for more. Every Friday I do drop vlogs. Every Wednesday is a new video of a custom piece that I have created. So yeah. This was just so neat and satisfying to me. Like, yes. We're gonna go ahead and sew down the tag. And y'all, this is what it's looking like without the splash paint, but she wanted like pink and white paint like splashed all over it, so we're gonna go ahead and do that in just a second. And so we just gonna do this all over the jacket, the front and the back, and then we're gonna add the pink in. Right now I'm just doing all the white, and it's better to put like the pink on top of the white, so that's why I'm doing so many whites. And then I took my blow dryer and went ahead and dried it. So right here you can see me putting the pink on top of the white because it gives a more brighter, you know, it actually shows the color. The white help it get brighter, if y'all get where I'm coming from. I'm just trying to explain it to y'all so y'all can make sure y'all don't skip that step if y'all want y'all colors to show. And this is what it's looking like, the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. She absolutely loved it. I loved it too. Make sure y'all subscribe and follow, like, for the next video, and then I am going to show y'all the styled and finished look. Yes, let's get into it. You see her. Don't play. Love you guys. Bye.